Now you can hear, no, Raghu?
Yeah, now I can hear.
Okay. Okay, now we'll cover operators. Okay, this is another important thing. This, like, now you will see the important things and all. So far whatever we had covered, right, it was just high level things for your understanding. Now you will come to the logical things and all. So today we'll cover operators. Okay, operators in Java. How many operators are there in Java, or real time what are those we use? Okay, so the first operator we have, that is called arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. Okay, so when it comes to arithmetic operator, what are those we all know, right? 1 second. So it has plus, minus, multiplication, uh, divider, division is there, right? Modular is there. Then one more, incremental, this plus plus will come later. Okay, what is plus plus, minus minus, and minus minus? So plus plus means increment. Okay, just for the understanding purpose, you understand, plus plus means it will increment, and minus minus is it will decrement. There is a huge difference between this plus and this plus plus. Okay, later we'll see, but just for your for the timing, you should know the arithmetic operator we have, where we can do the calculation, right? Basically plus, minus, uh, division, modular, all this stuff. And additionally we have plus plus and minus minus. Okay, this is one. This is called arithmetic operator. Now we have another one, that is called relational operator. Relational operator. Okay. So for relational operator, what we have, uh, equal equal. This is one. Okay. Then we have this symbol, means not equal. Then we have greater than. We have less than. Then we have greater than this. Okay, greater than equal. Okay, we have this one, and we have less than equal. Okay, so this is called relational operator. Okay, this is another operator. So the first one, arithmetic operator, this is the relational operator. Third one more is there, this is called assignment operator. Okay. So basically we have covered this assignment operator. It is nothing, just the equal, right? We have just covered in our previous programs. I, int I equal to 10. So this is one operator, assignment operator. Okay, this is the third one. Now the fourth one is logical operator. Logical operator. So logical operators means this symbol will this, like this. Okay. Real time we will see all these symbols and all the uses. Okay, then pipe symbol, double pipe symbol, and one more is there, this one. Okay, so these are the logical operators symbol. Okay, now the fifth one is conditional operator. Conditional operators. Okay, so conditional operator, it has a symbol like this, question mark, then this one. Okay, bracket don't consider, this is not, just for understanding. Okay, so we have, these are 5 real time we use. Okay, operators, there are different operators also. Just 1 second, guys. Sorry guys. Okay, so these are the 5 operators. Okay, we mostly use, there are many operators, but this is real time what we use, that we'll see one by one. Okay, so let's start with one program, that arithmetic one first we'll cover. Okay, so remember we have plus minus, this all calculator basically, right? Okay, so let me create another, suppose calculator only. You can have any different name, but I'm just saying calculator. Okay, now any method, any class, we need main method for execution, right? So this is our main method. Now I will see the first example, right? Arithmetic operators. Okay, now it has plus, minus, then multiplication, then division, then modular, then plus plus, then minus minus. These are those, right? So we'll see. Now I'm saying int a equal to 10 and int b equal to 20, right? Now I want to print system.out.print, right? So how to use this? The first we can use the plus one, right? So simply we'll do a plus b, right? Similar way, the second one, right? Minus. So a minus b. Now the third one, right? What we can do? A then multiply by b. Now the fourth one, a divided by b, right? Now sixth one, a modular b, right? This is one. Okay, so now a plus b, right? Whatever value we are expecting to get 30, then a minus b, then 10, right? And 10 into 20, how much it would be?
-10 होगा.
Sorry?
A minus B.
No, A
Minus,
minus B, that then 10 only, right?
should be -10.
Okay, B value is, okay, I got it. Okay, let it put 10 and 5, okay? I'm not good in maths, but anyway. Okay, 10 and 5. So A value is 10 and B value is 5. Now, if I say, then it should 15, right? 10 plus 5. Now, B A minus B, then it should be 5. Now, A into B, then it should be 50, right? Then A divided by B, then it should be 2, right? 5 divided by 10. Now the sixth one is, it should be 5. If I do, then it should be 0, I guess.
नहीं नहीं
Let
नहीं
me
नहीं
see.
0 नहीं आएगा.
Okay, let's see. Okay,
0.2 something आएगा.
okay. Okay, so far we have covered plus, minus, this one. We have not touched this plus plus and minus minus. We'll touch, okay? Now let's run this one. So this is arithmetic operators. So whenever you use plus, minus, all these, calculator things, calculation purpose, so this comes under arithmetic operators. So yeah, you can see the value, right? It's coming 0 only.
क्योंकि ये 0.2 है ना, आपने डेसिमल यहाँ पे नहीं दिया.
हाँ, ये integer वो कर रहा है ना?
int
It's
दिया,
int
नहीं दिया
value,
वो.
right? Yeah. It will, if I put this, हाँ, for this calcul anyway जो भी आता है, but just logic we are clear, right? Any out, like logic we are clear, right? So if in value it will not print you decimal, right? Because only decimal value you will get print when you use the data type as a double or float. Then only actual thing will come. Suppose I want to do double, right? Instead of this, now you may get decimal value, the real time value, right? Whatever is the 0 point, but still 0.0 only. I think 5 divided, if you do this modular, then it would be 0 only, I guess.
5% of 10 is into, तो वही 0.1 हो गया by 2, 0.02 हो जाता.
Let me see. Okay, A is 10, then 5, right?
5. यही हुआ ना?
Showing 5. Calculator में issue है क्या?
नहीं, 10% is 5.
10,
कुछ करो.
5. Don't know. Anyway. Okay, suppose I am putting 100 and 1. Right, then what? Let's run it.
वैल्यू करेक्ट नहीं तो.
Show 0.
अच्छा छोड़ो.
Chalo.
हाँ,
Okay.
Mm.
We'll see in Excel. Then we'll get the real time. Okay, so this is arithmetic operators, right? So arithmetic operators, it we can use a plus, minus, okay, all this stuff. Now this much we are done, right? Any question? No questions, right? It's very simple. Okay, now this,
So
right?
for
Plus,
that, 1 second. For that, Rope asked no. For that, you have to change both double double. Then keep A is a 10 and B is a 100. Okay, when you're divided by 10 by 100, no, you'll get 10%. Make it that one 10
10.
and so 100.
Okay.
and change the integer, okay, as a double, both.
Okay, but this 0 will not come, na, this time, right?
It will come, it will come. Change the double, no, integer to double, change it and just run it, okay. You will get
Okay.
10%. Yeah.
Both into double.
Ah, bro. See, 10% divided by 10, right? Yeah, you
Hmm.
want a percentage, you can add double or can use in integer only, not issue.
Right, right, right.
Okay,
Because
if
that
I
time value was no ऊपर अपने ज्यादा दिया था नीचे कम दिया था, it cannot divide it,
right,
right?
right,
तब वो नेगेटिव में चला जाएगा.
right.
Yeah, exactly, then it will give zero value.
Now it is coming 10, right?
Yeah, if
Because
you want
the
to add 10.1%, 100.25%, no, then divided it will show percentage also. Means
got it.
example I'm saying. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So anyway, uh, that experiment you people can do later. Okay. I just want to cover this one. Okay. Now this is what, right? The whatever the output we are getting. So a 10, 100, whatever you just print. So the use of real time use of how we use. Okay, all these operators. So this is arithmetic operators, and at the same time, suppose you want to print, right, some string like addition. I want to say addition. Okay, so start with double quote, then give one. See, this is string, right? This will not. It is not going to impact anything on this. Okay, so you have to just close the bracket. Okay, now I will not, it will print addition at the same time, also print the value. Okay, this is also another way. If you want to put any comment, like any line, right? Suppose what is this is addition I want. So addition will print like this. Now you can see this is coming like addition. Okay, now this is what, so this is assignment operator, and this is our a plus b, right? So this is also another way you can print addition, all this stuff you can do it. Okay, I just show you this one. Okay, now let's focus on the increment operator, how to use plus plus. Okay, now suppose system dot out dot println. Okay, change my value to 10 and 5. Okay, now for example, you want to print, suppose the a, right? You want to increment. For example, currently the 10 is holding the value is what? A is holding the value is 10, right? Now, what I want to increment. When you use this a plus plus, right? What will happen? So it will first print 10, okay? Now again, when I say system dot out dot println, and I this time I will just print a. Okay. Now what it will print? It will print 11. Okay. Let's have a real time. We'll run and see. I will explain. Okay. Let it run. Okay. So ignore this too. Okay. Ignore these things. Okay. Now see, this 10 is coming from here. Okay. We will explain. Just for your better understanding, I am doing this. In increment by 1. Let me run it and let me just comment out this one. Okay. So now B is not, we are not using B. That's why it's a grayed out, right? So B we are not using that. So we are just seeing the example with A. So this is very important thing, okay? Just understand the logic, how it works. Oh, sorry, it is, let it, remove it, just put this one. Let me run again. You can give some space, so there would be, you know, operators after that. It will, if you give space, it will not. Suppose you are seeing no space, right? Now if I print, it will give space. So let it run final time, then I will explain how it happens. Okay, now see, this is coming 10 and 11 now, right? So initially the 10 has the value was like a has the value of 10, right? Okay, so what we did, system.out.println, this is just a string message, ignore this. So what I did, then I use this plus also you can ignore, okay, because we use this plus because to print this line. Okay, so here is only the thing, a plus plus. So after your variable, when you use plus plus, right, when you use plus plus, what happened, first time it will print a current value. Okay, what is a current value? A current value is a 10. So first time it will print a value. You can see a value is 10. So it will first time print 10. Now what happened, once you add this plus plus after, right? So if I just hover over, right? Or no, there is no way to. So just understand, after your value 10, when you use plus plus, it will increment 1. Means in next line, what happened? Your current value plus 1 equal to 11. Did you understand, or should I explain in different way? So what happened? The initial, what is the value? A. Initial I value was 10, right? It was 10. And when I did system.out.println, right? It prints same, right? 10 value. Okay, because what happened, a, it's normal, it will print. Now when you say system.out.println and a plus plus, when you say this, so first it will print 10. Okay, and in second statement, when you say I need the value of a, right, a, then what happen, it will give the value first 10 plus this increment, it will get also implement. So it will, you will get the value of 11. Okay, any question did, or, and now again suppose second line I want to print, I want to print. Now tell me what I should get. What would be the output?
I believe it will change to 12.
Any other thoughts? Vinod,
Same value.
Raghu.
Same value you'll get 11.
It will remain 11, I believe.
Why 11?
Because it's not already in memory location, it is incremented 1 digit and you're printing the same value again. It is not incrementing again.
Correct. So here you will get again the value 11, right?
Yeah.
Because in this line we are not incrementing. Suppose now also I will see both the answers. Okay, we'll make it happen for Ropio also. Okay. Now you see we are getting only 11, 11, right? So from Ropio point of view, we should get 12. When we'll get 12? When here you increment.
Hmm.
Now I have incremented here. So let's run it. So now here we should get 12. Okay. Clear the logic or not? Please tell me, guys. These are the very real-time use, okay, in automation. Any question, Ropio or others?
Give me example of when we'll use the incremental operator in automation.
When we come to Selenium, we'll cover all those stuff. Okay.
Okay.
We'll cover. Don't worry about that. We'll cover when to increment, when to decrement, all these things.
Also, we can use while using for loop. No, we can use this method also.
So we are focused in Java. We'll cover all this increment when we come to loops, statements, and all. We'll cover. But you should
I'm not sure my network is but your voice is totally breaking for me.
No, my network is okay. 150 Mbps only.
I
Yeah.
don't know.
Okay. So this is the use of incremental. Okay. That means Ropio, you are clear, right? Ropio, are you there?
हाँ भाई.
Clear है ना अभी?
हाँ, it is more of the same like VBA only.
Okay.
VB की तरह ही थोड़ा same ही है.
हाँ, little bit. हाँ.
हाँ.
Okay.
But so in any condition, are we using plus a
Yes.
plus
Plus
increment?
plus is, yeah, we'll cover that also. We'll cover that also. Okay. Now this is what we did. After variable we use plus plus, right? Now we'll see another example. Plus plus a. Okay. First increment, then print the actual value. Okay. Because if you know first, see this plus means first print the value, then increment. The logic is first print the default value. Okay. What is the default value? Means what is the actual value? 10. First print, we are telling to the code, first give me the print of 10. Okay. Then it increment by 1. Okay. This is what we are telling. Now we'll tell to the system, first give increment, then give the actual. Okay. So what we are doing, plus plus a. Okay. Now guys, can you go on mute all? I'm getting echo. Whenever you have any question, you can unmute. Okay, now this is plus plus a. So what it is happening? It is first increment, then give you the actual value. Okay. Now what would be the output? Can anyone tell? Now the current value you can see is 12, right? Because we have 12 a, because we incremented here and all. And here what we should get? Any idea?
We will get 13.
14.
13, 14. Any other answer?
Sorry, 13. We are increasing one, right? Yeah, 13.
See, here we are getting 12. That you are
Yeah.
clear, right? Here we are getting 12. Now we are saying first increment, then give the actual value. It means first increment. So what would be the increment? Increment by 1 plus what is the real actual value? 12, right? That means what we should get? Logically 13, right?
Should get 12, right? Then
How? See, 12 is a current value, right? This is what 12 we have, right? What we are doing, 12, then we are incrementing first, right? So first it will increment,
This is pre-increment and post-increment.
post increment, right? So
Yeah.
this is pre-increment and this is the post increment. Okay. So first it will increment, then it will give you the value. Now in this case, first it will give you the value, then it will going to increment. That is why we got for in first line 10 only, because it will first give you the value of current value 10, and in second line which it will going to increment. That's how it happens. Okay, so let's run and see. Maybe I am also wrong, but we'll see. Did you understand the concept still or not clear? Tell me. See, 12, right? Till this much you will get, you are getting the value. See, this 10 is coming from this line, right? This 10 is coming from line number 19. This 11 is coming from line number 20, because we are incrementing. First 10 plus 1, plus will assign 1, right? So we are getting 11. Now 12, right? What we are doing here, so again we are saying give, it will increment, right? Because again we are incrementing. We are incrementing in second line, we are getting this increment value here. Okay, this plus value, this one will going to add, right? That's how it happens. So 11, then it become 12, right? And now when we are in 12, right, line number 21, what we did, we are saying, hey, first increment, then give the actual, the current value. Okay, first increment, then print the current value. So first it will increase by 1, because we want first increment. So this is kind just thing we are saying to company, give our bonus first, then talk about CTC part. So our CTC is 12, and we are saying give me bonus in upfront. So that's why it is printing like this. First it is giving your bonus, then you giving your gross CTC. So that's why the print is coming like this. 13, we're getting 13. Raghu was saying 12, right? So 12, how? Because we are saying increment 1 first only. I don't want to wait. I need first increment only. So that's why 1 plus the current value, it's giving you 10. Okay. Any question on increment? You can do practice by your own, so you will get more clarity, but you should know the logic, how it works. Any question so far? Did you understand, or should I explain again? Okay, silence means no questions, right? Okay, now come to decrement. Decrement is this one, minus minus. Okay, meant. I will post this code, okay, in Skype, so you can do practice.
Lopio has some questions. He was not able to speak properly. Lopio.
Okay.
Lopio, question is
You can ask on chat also if nobody is okay.
No, I'm clear. I do not have any questions.
Okay, okay. You understood Rupio, right? How
Yes,
it
yes.
works? Okay. Okay. Now coming to decrement operator. So the decrement means it will decrease the value. Okay. Okay. Now I'm saying will not go with A this time, because we'll take this B. Okay. Fresh variable. Okay. What I'm saying, system.out.println, and now B minus minus. Okay. And let me comment this section also. We have covered already, no need. Okay, now we are using B. Okay, and we are saying what I did. Yeah, we are saying give me the B print. So what we'll get? So current
5.
value is 5. Okay,
You get 5 only.
Get 5 on the.
we get 5 only, right, in this line, right?
Yes.
Okay, now in this line what we'll get?
4.
4.
Who said 4? Okay,
4.
everyone is saying 4 only, right? Okay, now you understand, right? So why it is the current value, right? The current value. So this is the current value is 5. So we will get 5. Now this increment, now in next line when we are saying, hey, now give me the second time B. So it is going to decrement by 1. So this will, what it will do, 5 minus 1, it will going to increment. So the current value is going to decrement by 1, so you will get 4. Okay, that's how the logic happens. Let's run it. Okay, so this is the 4. Now again when you write like this, B plus plus, then what you will get?
4.
4 only.
System dot out now.
5.
Very good. Now you understand, right? Correct. Because in second one, this is the value, right? It's minus. Now we are saying increment. So increment, we are saying post increment. We are saying first, give us the current value of B, which is 4, right? And then in second line, when we are saying again, now give me the actual, so it will return this plus plus with this. Okay, so it will come here now 5. Okay, this 5. So pre and post both, like mostly we use post increment. Okay, mostly, but you should know both like pre and post. So now again, system.out.println, I'm saying minus B. Now tell me what would be the output.
4 as well.
Sorry,
4.
any other? Everyone is saying 4 only, right?
4.
Yeah, correct. So it would be 4 because we are going to first decrement. So immediately 5 minus 4, like 4 minus this one will going to decrement, and it should give you 4. Okay, now system.out.println. Now if I say B, right, then what?
It stays as 4. 4.
It's 4 only, right? Because we are not going to decrement or increment anything. We are just asking to print the actual value. So it will be 4 again. Okay, so this is only the difference between pre and post. Pre will, this pre means this is the pre and this is the post. Pre first increment, then print the real value, its current value, and the post first give you the real value, means current value, then increment. Okay, this is only the difference. So hope you guys are clear with this, right? So for today, I'm just sending this one. You can try. Okay, do practice. From here, like you will get little bit, tricky kind of program. It will start after once you complete operators, right? the loops and all. These are the logically. And for those things, you should know all those stuff. So this is the sequence. Okay. If you don't know this thing, then obviously these are the basics.
Makan,
Yes.
I'll stop recording, okay?
Yeah. You can stop.